How to create your own effects on TikTok. The very first thing you should know that you cannot create own effect directly from the TikTok itself. In order to do so, what you want to do is simply head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. In the source bar, search for TikTok Effect House. Head over to the very first site. Over here it says Download Effect House. Click on it. In here, you can see it says Effect House for Mac and Windows, which means that Effect House is currently only available on a Mac or Windows desktop or laptop, so it is impossible to create effect from a mobile device. You simply have to download this Effect House on your PC. Once you have installed on your PC, simply open it and follow the on-screen prompt. After that, you will be able to create your own TikTok effect and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create your own effect on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.